Using a plastic mulch layer can be easy with a few tips and tricks we learned here at Lomax Farm. This model is the RB448 raised bed mulch layer from Knowles Produce Supplies, and it's used to shape beds, lay irrigation, and lay plastic mulch. When hooking it up, make sure the layer is as straight as possible behind the tractor. Take some time to adjust all the bars in order to pull everything in line. Place the plastic mulch in so that it pulls from the bottom. This will keep the mulch tight and smooth as it's pulled over the beds. Decide whether you want the drip tape buried or on top of the bed. You can adjust the drip tape placement as needed. As you thread the drip tape through, make sure the emitters are facing up to avoid clogging. You may need to check the orientation of the drip tape periodically as you use the machine. Make sure the sole is ready. It will need to be tilled and dry enough to avoid clumping. The beds are roughly 6 inches deep, so it's a good idea to have the sole tilled at least to that depth. To check all the bed shaper settings, lay the layer down and pull a test row without engaging the plastic. If the bed is not full or flat on top, use the middle bar on the 3-point pitch to drop the forward pitch of the layer. This will increase sole accumulation. You can also adjust the front up to avoid excessive sole buildup. To engage the plastic, here are a few tips. Anchor the drip tape well using a brick or a cinder block. Stretch the plastic from side to side so that it comes securely in contact with the tires. If the plastic is not getting buried on one side, adjust the roll of plastic, making sure it is centered and secure. Without moving the implement, lift up the tires of the mulch layer and secure the plastic underneath. Also, check that the discs are angled so that enough dirt is being scraped onto the plastic. If the plastic is tearing, there is too much tension in the roll. Adjust the tension of the rollers underneath the plastic to correct the issue. Drive slowly, checking the layer as you go. And at the end of the bed, cut the plastic, drip tape, and secure the mulch with a few shovelfuls of soil. Now the bed is prepped and ready for planting.